This is Aaron with Flamingos in Wonderland, and today we're in Orlando, Florida once more at Disney's Beach Club Resort to show you what one of the rooms here will look like. We'll go over everything in your room, some of the benefits of the room, and drawbacks if there are any. All that and more coming right up. This resort is located between EPCOT and Hollywood Studios and shares amenities with Disney's Yacht Club Resort and a short walk to Disney's Boardwalk Resort and the Swan and Dolphin hotels, giving you lots of options for dining and entertainment. Beach Club is the closest resort to EPCOT and about a 15 to 20 minute walk to Hollywood Studios. We will have a resort tour shortly with much more information about the overall resort, so if you're interested in that, please do subscribe, and if you like this room tour, please give us a like. Beach Club is themed after the 19th century seaside cottages of Newport, Rhode Island, and as such, the rooms have a modern, traditional style. Beach Club really does have a great theme, and you can see it executed really well all around the resort. With that said, however, we're talking about the rooms today, so I'll pass it over to Aaron from the first day of our vacation to walk you through the rooms. Afterwards, I'll be back to give you some additional information about value and additional thoughts from staying in the room for several days and what we thought of it. This is Aaron and Linda with Traveling Flamingo, and today we're in Disney's Beach Club Hotel. We're going to be giving you a tour of our room. We're located right here. And again, this is Yacht and Beach Club. This is a club level room. Let me just show you the room real quick. Here's what the room looks like. And let's start our journey over here. So we've got this great piece of artwork with Mickey and Minnie, which I really like. Below that, we have the coffee maker, Keurig coffee maker with both regular and decaf coffee. On left of that, we have tea, ice bucket, and creamer and so forth. Now down here, we have a drawer. And just below that, we have the older Danby black fridges. So it's not been redone, but pretty good amount of space. Pretty big fridge for anything you might need. Continuing our tour, let's head over here to the left. So over here we have our vanity, double sink. We have this hairdryer down here. Our two sinks, there's no drawers in this. And you can see they still have the old plastic hand lotions and stuff in this room. So that's quite lovely. And we have our makeup mirror. And I'll just show you back here again what the room looks like, or the vanity looks like. Now let's head over this way. This is a separate door, separate area, so someone can be getting ready while someone's in the shower or the washroom. You have a toilet, you have the toilet paper, you have some nice towels, you have this beautiful Disney shower curtain with some hidden Mickeys on it, if you can see that. And then in the shower, you've got this nice tile work, along with a shower head, and again, the plastic, older shampoo and conditioner and so forth. All right, let's head out. Of course, they have some literature about conserving the environment. Again, this is a club level room, so we'll show you some of the club stuff too. Let's head out this way to the closet. So it does have our luggage in it, so more than likely your room will not come with that. Over here, we have a safe, couple coat hangers, and these very nice robes. And on the other side, we have this pillow blanket, extra pillow and blanket. We have iron, and of course an ironing board. All right, let me show you the main part of the room. This is the room. Quite a nice room, I really like it. I like the design. It's very nice. a little Mickey towel. Let's start here on the right. This is an adjacent room, so there could be another room next to us, although we're not using it, so it's locked. There's a nice recycling bin, which I'd love seeing. And then you've got this large TV on this large countertop dresser. So you've got pullouts here, you've got a large open space here, and then you've got more pullouts. You have 3 of those, 2 of these smaller ones, and 2 of the large ones with nothing in them. And then back here, which you might be able to see, there's 2 USB and 2 power. Then we have the sanitized remote, the Take the Magic guide, the enhanced cleaning information for our room, and of course 2 more power outlets and 2 more USB ports. All of that topped with this huge Samsung TV. Just remember, no more Stacy on the resort TV channel, that's gone. You've got this nice little desk with a bit of a hidden feature. I'll show you this desk. Of course, it's got 2 more power outlets, 2 more USB ports. Down here, where this chair is another pull-out desk. So if you want to take that, you can roll it over to some of the open space over here, which is nice. A little bit of extra space, especially if you're ordering room service or what have you. Another look at that. Let's head over to the beds. So over here, you have 2 more power outlets and 2 more USB. You've got a pamphlet on the right just around fraud in rooms. I guess there's been some fraud going on, and of course the phone. Below that, the obligatory Gideon's Bible and another open, empty drawer. Light switches on the side of the bed to turn on and off the reading lights. And let me show you over this way. I will show you, we have a little bit of a patio, and let's head out that way. I really like these drapes. Kind of cool. You don't really see them on the doors like this. Anyways, I like the charm of these rooms. They're redoing a lot of them and taking out a lot of the charm.
What planet are we on? The Galaxy Bed. The 2, yes. What 2 rides are over
This is our view. That's Stormalong Bay. That is Yacht Club. That is Swan and Dolphin. And of course, Boardwalk across from there. Stormalong Bay below us. And I'll show you the little patio area here. Pretty small, not huge, but quite nice. Let's go inside. I'll show you the room one more time. All right, here is the room. So I will pass it back to Aaron from the future to tell you what we think about this room after we've slept in it for a little bit.
Beach Club is classified as a deluxe resort, meaning it's categorized as a premium hotel along with a Polynesian, Contemporary, and Grand Floridian. From a cost perspective, it fits near the top, with the Contemporary, Polynesian, and Grand Floridian being the most expensive. However, you can usually find cheaper deluxe hotels like the Animal Kingdom Lodge and Wilderness Lodge. We have a resort room tour of Wilderness Lodge, which is one of our favorite resorts, on property, so don't forget to check that out after this video. You can expect to pay anywhere from $500 per night during the value season to upwards of $880 per night. However, you can typically find discounted rates through Disney, especially during the value seasons in summer. The rates for Disney's Yacht Club, which share the same amenities, is also the same, so there really isn't a premium from one resort to the other. Overall, one drawback we found was there's a lack of elevators, so your room could be located pretty far from an elevator, and the elevators can get quite busy. We really enjoyed the room's size. There was a good amount of space to spread out and make yourself comfortable, get a workout in or two, or handle all the equipment that we travel with. The rooms were refurbished fairly recently, however they're probably ready for some maintenance, but it doesn't really scream that it needs being renovated like many other hotels. Cough cough, Disney's Boardwalk. The real question is location. Do you want to be located closer to the Magic Kingdom or the rest of the parks? Being able to walk to EPCOT, especially during the festival season, is amazing. And if you plan on being in Hollywood Studios or EPCOT the most, then you probably make sense to be within walking distance. If you're planning to be at the Magic Kingdom, then I'd recommend staying at the Monorail Loop. With all that said, if you're planning on staying here, I would definitely recommend this resort over Boardwalk. We did a review of that hotel and their rooms as well, and they feel much, much more outdated than what you'll get here. So we hope that helps you plan your Disney World vacation and give you some insight to what these rooms are like. Again, if you like this video, and given that you're sticking in till the end here, it seems like you do, please hit that subscribe button. Thank you and happy travels.